Next, we will look at 3 more basic principles of experimental design. The first of these is replication. Replication has 2 meanings for us in the case of an experiment. Replication can either mean having more than one subject for each treatment, or it can mean that we repeat an experiment more than one time. Oftentimes, it can be expensive for us to run an experiment with more than one person, but if we can run it for more than one person in each treatment group, it allows us to estimate variation. The more people I sample, the more sure I am of my results. The same thing is true with experiments. The other reason that we would want to have replication would be for the other definition, or repeating an experiment more than one time. If we can repeat an experiment more than one time and get the same results as before, it gives credibility to the results. Our next definition is blinding. Blinding is when someone involved in the experiment, either the researcher or the subjects, are not aware of which group they are being assigned to. We might want to blind the people in the study so that they don't know whether they're receiving the treatment or the control, and we might want to blind the experimenters so that they do not bias the study in any way. Sometimes we want to go through and blind both the researchers and the subjects, which leads us to double blinding. Double blinding is when neither the researchers nor the subjects know which group they are being assigned to. Now, this doesn't mean that people are just haphazardly being assigned to a group and nobody knows which one it is. Somebody knows who's going into which group. It's just that those that are administering the drugs or whatever the treatments might be don't know who's in which group. Reason for double blinding is that it reduces the potential for bias in the results of the study.